I love how she uses her tail as balance and the positions that her wings and her tail go. Ooh, let me see if I can pick her up. Yep. I'm sorry, babe. There you go, you scratch your head. You scratch your head. Yeah, you fluff yourself up as well, don't we? It's very good seeing her balance using her whole body. Oops. You're climbing on me now. I love it when she's got like one foot on me and one foot on something else. It feels like she's saying to me, hey, just steady on now, steady on. Or she's like holding my hand or something. I don't tend to try and when I teach them tricks, I don't tend to do what most people do with doves and use food. I'll just let them learn it naturally. I would use food, but it's the way to do that with training a dove is you have to like kind of neglect them of food for a few hours, and I just find that a bit mean to do, so I just let them eat whenever they want to eat. And it'd be a bit pointless me taking any seed away from any of them because they find it. I've got so much seed in this room that it's not even funny. There's probably about 7 or 8 different places around the room where it's just scattered around all over the place. So, and that doesn't include the bowls. And inside each cage, that there's like just seeds scattered all over the floor because I like to have them forage around the floor. So I just let these guys just learn these tricks naturally. Like she might jump on the phone now, maybe, or if she does, she does. If she doesn't, she'll do it at her own time. Have a lovely day.